Are you ready to make a wire bracelet for this beautiful moon wire ring that we had the tutorial in previous video? The design we are going to pursue is circular one or something like that is appropriate. And in this tutorial, we need flush cutter, round nose pliers, 20 gauge wire, a hard hammer and a hard surface, and a cylindrical shape with about 1.3 in diameter. We start by wire round nose pliers and the cylindrical shape. We start making a very little loop with round nose pliers and we determine the place so that we repeat making little loops on that place. Keep it with round nose pliers and push it a little. Then rotate it to have a circular shape and then put that cylindrical shape and wrap it all around to have a bigger loop just like this. Cut it out in one complete round. And this would be the first pattern that we need to make with 20 gauge wire. And this is the time to pick up the hard surface and also the hard hammer and start hammering it. This helps the pattern to be firm and also a beautiful pattern and flattened surface, of course. This would be the first shape that is hammered, and we need at least 2 of them to have the first motif that is going to be repeated all around the bracelet. We place them like this into each other upside down and also another pair and put them just like the first one. And this is the place that we are going to attach them together with jump rings, just like this. These are 2 pairs of this motif that is attached with jump rings. So again, pick up 20 gauge wire, round it with round nose pliers with a bigger size and cut it out to have your first jump ring. And I had explained on how to make, open and close a jump ring on the link above. Then insert it into one of those little loops and also its pair and attach it to the next one. And then close the jump ring to attach these 2 pairs together. I repeat this for another jump ring. I attach both pairs with 2 jump rings. I had attached one and I'm going to repeat it with the other one. And this would be the shape. And I have another pair that I'm going to connect them with another pair of jump rings, and I continue that till I achieve the whole area of my wrist. And this would be a place of about 1 centimeters to have the clasp. At both ending parts, I had insert 2 jump rings, and also we need to prepare a clasp that we had the tutorial on the link above, and to attach it in one of those jump rings at one side, and the other one should be a little bigger so that the clasp could be inserted easily. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial and make one with a beautiful wire ring. Drop your comments below and let me know what you think. Take care.